Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is penne al salmone. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got a pot full of hot water in here. We're gonna turn it on a high heat. We're gonna add some oil and some salt. And we're gonna cover the pot. The reason why I did use hot water and cover the pot, so the water comes quickly to the boil. So we do not lose any valuable time. Now, when the water comes to the boil, we're gonna cook the penne pasta. To calculate the portion control for pasta, always calculate between 120 grams to 150 grams per portion. And for kids, between 50 grams to 80 grams per portion. Now, the water is boiling. We're going to drop the penne. And straight away, we're going to put the lid back on. So the water comes quickly to the boil and the pasta will cook better. Now, I've got a frying pan in here. We're going to turn it on a medium to high heat. And we're going to add a little bit oil. Now, while we've got the penne pasta cooking, the frying pan getting hot, we're going to slice the smoked salmon. I've got some beautiful smoked salmon in here. As you can see, the water is already boiling. Now we take the lid off. We're going to give it a stir and we let the pasta cook. Now we're going to slice the salmon and we're going to put it into this container. Then we're going to change the chopping board, wash the knife, and we're going to peel and slice one medium onion. For the timing of the pasta, always read the instructions on the packet. I'm going to slice the onion and put it with the salmon. Now, I've got 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to peel them and we're going to slice them. What I love about this recipe is because it's very quick to do, easy, and very tasty. Now we're going to slice the garlic and put it with the salmon and onion. Then the frying pan is hot. We're gonna cook the onion, salmon, and garlic. We're gonna cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we add the vodka and the cream. At this stage, we need to make sure that we've got the vodka ready, the double cream, and I'm using some caviar, but the caviar is optional. For ingredients, method, and recipes with picture, please do log on our website, robnjs.com, or like us on our page, Facebook page, robnjs. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, as you can see, the salmon is cooked, the onion is cooked. We're gonna add the vodka. Now, if I'm using 150 milliliters of vodka, we're gonna reduce it by 3/4. We're gonna add the vodka into the frying pan. If you are confident enough, lift the frying pan and we're gonna flambe. That's the alcohol burning. Then, when the vodka is reduced, we're gonna add the double cream. And that's basically the sauce ready. As you can see, the vodka is reduced. Now, we're going to add the double cream. We'll bring the double cream to the boil. And we can turn off the sauce. By the time we are waiting on the cream, we can tidy up. The double cream is boiling. We're going to turn off the heat. Then we'll check the pasta. The pasta needs about 3 to 4 minutes. When the pasta is ready, we're going to drain it, add a little bit oil, and we mix the penne pasta with the sauce, and we can serve. Now the pasta should be ready. We're gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna drain the penne. We're gonna add a little bit oil on the penne pasta. Then we're gonna drop the penne pasta in the sauce. Turn back the heat on a full heat. And we're gonna give it a good stir. Now, when it comes to seasoning, always be careful because the smoked salmon is a little bit salty. So, just little bit salt. When I mix, look at that, beautiful. Now we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna plate. Beautiful penne salmon. Quick, easy, and tasty. I'm gonna add a little bit caviar, but this is optional. Penne al salmone. For more videos, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now, bye bye.